Guys, in today's session, we will learn how to rearrange the columns or how to do the sorting of the columns. So see here, I have multiple columns, data in multiple columns, but I want to rearrange it. Like I want date in first column, then day, then reason and other columns. So if I do it one by one, like I want to move column total sales at the end and I am pasting it one by one. So it will take much time. In this way, it will take much time. So let's see how can we do it easily with one click. So for that, first of all, we have to insert one row at the top of our data. And here we have to mention the number of our columns, desired numbers. Like I want date at first column, then day at second column, reason at third column, product name at fourth column, then quantity, unit price, and at the end, total sales. So I have write these numbers of columns, the sequence of the numbers I want. After this, we just have to select the complete data. And now either we can click on home tab and then sort and filter in editing group. And here we have custom sort. Either we can click it manually or we have a shortcut key. So for what is the shortcut key? It is Alt H S U. With that shortcut key, this pop-up box is open. Now here we have option. So we have to click on this option button and there we have two options. First is by default from sort from top to bottom. As per this option, it is by default option to sort the rows, but we have to sort the columns. So we will select sort left to right and we will click on OK. After this, on the very first option, sort by, we have to select row number. So here we have the first row because we have the sequence on first row. We will click on first row and smallest to largest. These are the same options as we have for rows. So we will click on smallest to largest so that our small number will come on first column, then second, third, fourth, and then just have to click on OK. So see, now my data is sorted as per column wise. So you can see date is on column 1, day, reason, product and this. So this is the shortcut way to rearrange our columns. Thank you guys.